let's read a book with Teacher Clau. So, come on, let's start.
Today we are going to read Rudy and Claude, Splash into Art. That looks interesting. What you working on, Claude? Shh! Quiet, Rudy. I'm making art. Oh, art! But wait, what is art? It's something a mouse like you wouldn't understand. See, I'm a true artist. I have skill and imagination. I have skill. I can smell garbage a mile away. And I have imagination. Could I be a true artist? Ha! You, an artist? That's hard to imagine. But okay, Rudy, if you insist. Try to pen a self-portrait. A self-portrait is a picture you make of yourself. Find some art supplies and start painting. A self-portrait, huh? Just gotta paint myself. Easy. Oh no, that doesn't look like me at all. Try a still life. A still life is when you paint some things that you can put on a table, like this. I'll paint a soup can. I guess that is a little better. But who will ever want to look at a canned soup? Try a landscape, Rudy. That's a painting of mountains or the beach or a lake. Just about anything outside in nature. Good idea, Claude. There's a beautiful lake right there in the city. I'll take a walk and see what I can paint. Ugh, ugh, ah! Lime skirts are not for me. Now, what are you working on? That looks like something I could do. This is a fun art. That's when you take objects you find and make something new. I'm going to find some objects and try to make my own fun art. Ta-da! All this hard work is really making me hungry. These gardeners sure smell delicious. Maybe I just have a quick nibble. How's your fun art sculpture coming along? Oh, Claude, I hate it. I'll never be a true artist. Rudy, why don't you borrow this book full of true artists? It will give you some new ideas. That's it! I just needed the right look. Now I can really make a masterpiece. And so will be a true art splat. Ah, God! Oh, ouch! What I have done! I made a huge mess. I'm a total failure. I'll never understand art. Never! What is art? Rudy, this is art. You got color and movement. You got feeling and emotion. I do? Yes, you just made a great painting. Does that mean I am a true artist? Yes, a true artist.
¿Te gustó esta lectura? Pues dale like y suscríbete al canal. Recuerda que tienes una lista de reproducción donde encontrarás más de 200 lecturas para practicar el idioma inglés. También tenemos otras listas de reproducción como vocabulario, tiempos verbales, facial verbs y demás. Así que hazle clic en la campanita para que no se te olvide ninguna notificación que yo haga. Ahora, si quieres clases de inglés con Teacher Clau, pues entra a www.teacherclau.com y encontrarás todos mis cursos. Así que nos vemos muy pronto.